Hey, this is Tony Ross for TonyTeach.com, and wanted to let you guys know that next week, September 9th through the 13th, we are having a 2D animation virtual summit. Basically, I've reached out to a bunch of friends and colleagues of my friends and colleagues, and we've got 20 plus individuals. We've got artists, animators, character designers, writers, directors, producers, all these different people talking about 2D animation. And just want to let you guys know, it's not just about Toon Boom, but it's also, we've got some people using Adobe Animate, or formerly known as Flash. We have Mr. Chris Georginas. You may know him as Keyframer or Mudbubble. We also have Steven Silver. We have the pleasure of having Mr. Robert Valley, who recently did the movie or the short Zima Blue that's on Netflix, Love, Death, and Robots. We also have different people from the industry like Mark Simon, who's doing storyboards for The Walking Dead. We've got some people from YouTube. We've got C. Prince. We've also got... we have all these different people. We've got Bree Gotham, and oh my goodness, yes, someone we just interviewed yesterday. We have Savannah Alexandra, and you may know her from the Puppets. But we're going to be talking to all these different people, talking about what they do in 2D animation. So you can learn different tips, tricks, demos, tutorials, learn about new tools that you might not have known about. So check it out at animationsummit.net. Sign up for free. It is absolutely free during the week of September 9th through the 13th. And we're going to be playing with a lot of different things. And of course, I'll be showing some new work because we have a new course coming out, so you can get some sneak peeks on that. So go to animationsummit.net and sign up now.